What is up, everyone? Chlorine King here, and thanks for tuning in for another one. Today, we're talking about something that can either make your pool season smooth and enjoyable, or turn it into a full-time job that you never signed up for. And that's choosing the right products to open your pool the right way. Now, I know opening a pool isn't a typical thing done in southern states, like where I live in Florida, when pools run 24/7, 365. But thousands of pools in any state can benefit from an all-in-one care package when your swim season starts up each year, or you need to simply overhaul your pool chemistry. And really quick, everyone, poolsupplies.com is one of our new channel sponsors, so let's show them some love. I'll drop some helpful links down below for you to check them out. Now, with that said, what I want to show you today is the RX Clear Deluxe Spring Opening Chemical Kit from poolsupplies.com. I'm telling you right now, this is one of those things where if you do it right from the beginning, life is good. Water's clear, you're relaxing, everything's great. But if you don't, well, congratulations, you just adopted a swamp. So let's dive into this kit. The entire design of this kit is to get your water clear and balanced right from the start, which is huge and very important when trying to start the swim season off on the right foot. Most pool problems don't just magically appear. They started opening and slowly build into something you really don't want to deal with. So let's talk about the essentials of this opening kit. First up, you've got your test strips. Now obviously these are way easier to ship in a kit versus a full reagent kit, but will still get the job done beautifully. You can fine tune your chemistry later with reagents once your pool bounces back. These strips will give you a great idea of your current water chemistry by testing your chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, all the important stuff. The best way to read the test strip is from the bottom up because you'll want to attack and balance your chemical levels in that order. Super easy. Dip it, read it, treat it, done. No need to pretend you paid attention in chemistry class. Next up is shock. This is your heavy hitter. This clears out all the junk that built up over the winter. Things like contaminants, organics, all the fun stuff, and basically gives your pool a clean slate. You all may be asking which type of shock this is, and the answer to that question is my favorite type of shock, calcium hypochlorite, or what we call in the industry, cal hypo. Then we have your stabilizer, also known as CYA or conditioner. And if you're in Florida like I am, this is a must. This keeps your chlorine working instead of vanishing and can save up to 80% on chlorine usage, while also making sure the chlorine that is in your pool lasts much longer. Without it, your chlorine disappears faster than a cold drink on a hot day. The sun just wipes it out. And finally, we've got Algaecide, which helps prevent that lovely green look nobody's going for unless you're Swamp Thing. Think of it as your backup plan to keep things from getting out of control. It really is a safety net too. Should your chlorine levels drop or vanish completely, the Algaecide will provide you with a few days of protection before the pool starts going green. How awesome's that? So instead of piecing everything together and hoping you got it right, these opening kits give you everything you need to start the season strong, without the guesswork. Even better, poolsupplies.com offers these opening chemical kits in sizes that are tailored specifically to how many gallons your pool is, essentially taking all of the guesswork out of how much of each chemical you need. If pulling back your cover revealed a total swamp nightmare, don't panic. The deluxe opening kit from poolsupplies.com is basically a reset button for your water. It includes all the essentials I've already mentioned, plus a heavy-duty boost of extra chemicals specifically designed to turn that stubborn green monster back into a crystal blue oasis. Chemicals like metal out, pH minus, pH plus, alkalinity up, multi-purpose cleaner, super clarifier, and even additional shock if needed. Now, once your pool's open and balanced, you can check out their other maintenance products to keep your pool going all season long. I'll send some links down below for you to check them out. Alright, enough talking. It's time. Let's head out poolside and show you how to add some of these chemicals to your pool. Check out these schools of fish swimming around. Pretty crazy. Some extra perks of working out on the water, I guess, right? Alright everyone, so I just want to show you the difference between the two kits they sell. You can see the deluxe kit on the left, and you can see the basic kit on the right. And you can see the massive difference between the two kits. So if you're trying to decide between the two, just want to show you exactly what the differences are. So hope this helps. Alright, so the first chemical I'm going to show you how to use out of this deluxe kit is the 50% Algaecide. On the back, it's got all the instructions and the dosage calculator based on the size of the pool, in addition to a little gauge for how much you're actually pouring into the pool. So This pool here is roughly right around 14,000 gallons. So the instructions here on this states for 15,000 gallons, we're going to use essentially 8 ounces. So let me go and show you what we're going to do to add this product to the pool. So we got the cap off now. We're ready to add this. The direction state, put it directly into the pool. So right now we're at roughly 30 ounces, and we're going to go down essentially to 22 because, again, based on 15,000 gallons, we're adding just about 8 ounces. So I always like broadcasting my chemicals, so I'm just going to walk around the pool and add it in. And then just every once in a while, I'm going to check to see where we're at. Always want to make sure that we're holding the bottle nice and vertical. So got a lot left to add in. All right, let's see. We are roughly at 26 ounces. We got another 4 ounces to go. So we're going to go ahead and keep just pouring it in. All right, so we're basically right at the 22. So that is how you add this 50% Algaecide RX cleared to the pool. All right, guys, I'm out here at one of my accounts, and I determined I need to shock the pool. So I'm going to go ahead and use one of the bags of the RX shock. And so it's very important when you are adding chemicals to the pool. It's recommended to add this in a bucket and dilute it. You always want to have water in the bucket first, then add chemical. You don't want to do it the other way around. You don't want to have an empty bucket, pour Cal Hypo in, then pour water on top of it. You need to have the water already in there. Go ahead and add this, stir it around and dilute it, and then add it to the pool. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I already have water in here. So go ahead and just add it to the bucket. What you want to do, so here I have a paint stick. You could use PVC. I've even used a pool brush in some cases. You want to stir it and give it some time to dilute and mix up with the water. You might hear some sizzling and all that kind of stuff. That's normal with the Cal Hypo reacting with the water. And then once I'm done stirring it, I like to make sure I tap it against the bucket to make sure there's nothing loose that could drip off, and then dunk this in the pool and rinse it off. So from there, all I need to do is just add it to the pool. And I like to broadcast it. I don't like to pour it in one spot. So what I'm going to do is just walk it around the edge of the pool towards the deep end to dilute it as much as possible. So let's go ahead and do that now. And that's it. It's as simple as that. At the end of the day, this is all about doing things right from the start, so you don't have to fix problems later, because maintaining a clean and balanced pool is easy. Fixing a bad one, not so much. So open it right with this poolsupplies.com RX Clear Spring Startup Kit, stay consistent, and enjoy your pool the way it was meant to be enjoyed. If you've got any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really, really helps the channel. I'll catch you all on the next one, guys. Have a great day, everyone.